TechSource, we're their first customer, and we purchased 4 freeze dryers, but not fully equipped. So we purchased the chambers, and we were able to grow into it and grow with them as they develop their freeze dryers. So one of the beautiful things about TechSource is they are very open and honest people. And so I felt very comfortable getting to purchasing these first freeze dryers by knowing them prior, and just knowing that their values and their ethics will support me in my growth. And so when we purchased ours and got going, it was in the middle of COVID, so we had a quick ramp. And then once COVID went away, we had a big drop. And fortunately, we didn't start with all 4. And then as we continue to grow, with their support, we added the 3rd and the 4th freeze dryers to where we have 4 operating freeze dryers. And with those guys, any issues that we had, any problems, they've always been there to support, teach, train, back us up. So it's been a pretty smooth transition. Being the first customer, we did have some unique issues that some others will not have, but we also was able to help them develop and find those weaknesses to develop their process and their freeze dryer to be better than competitors.